Oh, that broke something for sure. That destroyed everything.
Y'all go get off your asses and come in here and watch this mess.
On YouTube, got the LOSI tenacity. This thing is started as tenacity. It's got the aluminum chassis now, all the DBXL parts on it for the shocks, GPM, everything. I mean, you can see it, max 8 hobby wing combo with the 2200 kV motor and 24 gearing. And we're going to see how fast it runs today, and then we might launch it off something. So let's see. So my GPS is dead, forgot to charge it, so we're not gonna get a speed run. We're going. And this is running on 4S 100C 5600 CNHL, 2 of them, 2S's. All right, y'all, I got her out here. This thing is nuts on 4S. It's like it can't even hold the power down. Yeah, it's a contraption I made myself. These Proline tires do nothing but slip too. They have no traction. Let's see if I can get something off of this thing. Right in the water, and every time, I told y'all, every damn time it dies, it's in a mud hole. Every time. What'd I tell you? Oh well, y'all, we're gonna see what happens with it. LOSI flying good there. Oh yeah, LOSI flying good, y'all. These Proline belted tires have no grip whatsoever, like none. I'm not exaggerating. Missed the ramp. Missed the ramp completely. I gotta get behind this ramp, y'all, and see if I can hit it from here, right behind the damn thing. Beautiful. Try to get over here, we can see it land a little bit too. LOSI rips on 4S, y'all. You hear this thing? She gets down. Oh, I gotta go flip. I'm gonna try this once, see if I don't kill myself, and we can get out of the way of it. Oh, that broke something for sure. That destroyed everything. I seen parts flying. Why in the world I hit the throttle is beyond me, but I know I seen something land over here. I'll probably never find it. Well, let's see what it shattered. I think it was the arm. But let's just see what it broke there. Oh yeah, that whole wheel's gone. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wait a minute. Did it even break it? Or just pop the hinge pin out? Ah, look at that, y'all. I do believe. Wait a minute. The links, that just popped off too. Well, look at that, y'all. I do believe it just popped a link off here. That for sure just popped off. And unless I'm not seeing something that's bent, I think the hinge pin just came out of the holder here. But I have no tools with me, y'all, so I can't take this off, put it back in. But hey, I think that was not so bad here. Chassis looks straight. Everything else looks good. Hell, the wing took a hit. Look at that wing. But other than that, y'all, she's good, man. We're going to piece her back together, probably come back out here, man. All right, in case we don't. If you ain't doing something you love, doing something wrong, peace out, everybody.